So here's the question. When should I take care of my cavity? That's what you ask yourself. Can I wait 6 months? Can I wait next month? And the question is, yeah, you can, but you shouldn't. You should take care of right now and then. Whenever you have it, take care of it. And why? Well, here's why. One is more of your natural tooth will actually be saved. You won't have a bigger hole. Cavities grow because they're bacteria related. They make a hard wall seem like wet cardboard, right? Just mushy. Don't let that happen. It gets bigger with time. And two, you can avoid sensitivity and pain. Who wants to have a toothache? Not I. So I'm taking care of my stuff right away. Three is that if you take it care right away, you're going to spend less time at the dental office because you don't got to do a larger procedure like a root canal or a crown or even a tooth extraction. And who wants to be at the dental office? I always kind of joke with my patients about, this being like Magic Kingdom in my office. And they just laugh at me like I'm crazy, And it's not, but it's a joke. Then also, here's the big thing that's going to be the number one reason why. Yeah, people say, oh my gosh, it's expensive. Well, here's the deal. Dentistry is actually not expensive when you compare it to the regular medical field. You can go to a hospital, get a $500 dose of Advil. That's crazy. But if you're able to take care of that cavity, yeah, it may cost you, $100. I have no idea. But that $100, if you wait, can turn into $2,000. You wait a little bit longer, can turn to $5,000. Wait a little longer, that can turn into $25,000. And that's today's prices. I'm not talking about inflation when it actually all does happen. So take care of that cavity. Take care of it right now. Call your dentist. Call me. Get it taken care of, please. It's the best decision you can make when it comes to your smile, your health, everything.